See if I can get this shot. Hey ladies, I'm testing out a camera. Could I get a quick shot of you?
No, no thanks.
Okay, I'm sorry. Didn't mean. That's all right. Okay, I want to get this guy right here in the light. See if I can time this right. Whoops. Okay, so hopefully I timed that properly. Hey guys, how we doing? Back for more Ricoh GR III Ricoh Wednesday. And today, downtown Indianapolis, beautiful sunny downtown Indianapolis, a November afternoon, having a good time down here. 50, 55 degrees, something like that. A little chilly, a little cool, but we still got a lot of people out on their lunch break, as people are apt to do on a beautiful sunny day. So hopefully you'll stick with us here, watch the video. I'll be back to wrap it up at the end with some comments, but please, during the video, please like, please subscribe, leave a comment, leave a question, anything like that. You see something you think maybe I'm not doing right, which probably about every shot I take, leave a comment. I'm not going to be offended. You don't, as long as you're not offensive to me or anybody else, that's all fine. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know and it'll help the community. If not, if you like something, certainly let me know that as well. All right guys, so stay tuned and we'll be back to wrap this up at the end with the Ricoh GR III. Okay guys, we are back at it and another sunny afternoon. It's actually November 8th. I was out exactly 1 year ago. It was about 80 degrees out. Now it's about 50 degrees, so it's a little chillier, but we're going to get out here and get some action happening. 1/500th of a second, f9, maxed out at 3200 ISO as auto ISO. Let's get across the street here. I'm at 2.5 snap focus. And it's been a little while since I've been out. If you've been watching the videos, it seems like it was just yesterday to you, but to me it's been a while. So let me make sure. Okay. All right, so we got a nice, beautiful, sunny day. Very excited about this. So you got the GA1 coupler on here with the 49mm UV filter, protects it. I can hold the camera like this. I've also got my JJC thumb grip. So we can either hold it like this or like this, which is my preferred way, or like this, actually, like we'll be doing here. There comes somebody. Oh, I have the wrong door. Wrong door. Dang it. Here comes some people. They'll be in the light. So let me get over here. Let's see. This would be. Definitely not the right spot. Here we go. Boom. Okay, I think I'm gonna walk down the street here. Okay, this would make more sense this way, but I get people walking this way. That makes sense unless people are walking this way, so, oh well, they're coming, so let's see what we get here. Nobody coming this way, of course. Although it's just now getting lunchtime, so should have quite a few. Oh, here we go.
this Sharonville to Oklahoma.
I'm not really one for cold weather, so it's about 55 out here today. Here we go, guys. Here's what we got. That's why it's a little chillier, so hopefully this doesn't flap over in front. How you doing inside there? All right. But as you can see from my shadow, it's a very sunny day. Just gotta find the people. Trying to slow my gait as I pass by people that I'm shooting. Let's see how that came out. Well, probably not the hottest. Again, 1/500th of a second f9, and I'm trying to stop action so we don't have blurry photos, but you don't want to get such high ISO that you get so much noise that you also get what looks like blurry but is grainy. So here, slow down a little bit. Okay. I probably took about 4 shots there. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. All 4 of them are there. Now I get to choose which one of the 4 I want. We also have sun down that way. So there we go. Colorful people here. Yep. Let's see. We'll keep heading this way. Oh, I hope that one came out. A lot of characteristics in that guy. I gotta slow down my pace here a little bit. Turn around and get this guy walking behind me here. Act like I'm looking at him here. Oh, wow, that's kind of cool. Oh, wow, this would be the very good way to walk here. So I gotta go back this way to shoot the people. Sun that way, so we're going to go back this way where we've got all this beautiful sunlight here. Oh yeah, we got some beautiful light here, so let's see how this will go.
You said what?
See how these turned out shooting. Sure what that'll get us. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video with the Ricoh GR3. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Please like, please subscribe, and do all that good stuff. Leave a comment. If you want to purchase any of this stuff, links in the description below. I do get a couple cents off each of those, so that does help. I do appreciate it. And stay tuned, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.